In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a PowerPoint presentation onto your desktop quickly and correctly. Whether you're finishing up a school project, preparing a business presentation, or just organizing your files, knowing how to save your PowerPoint to the desktop makes it much easier to find and access later. This step-by-step guide works for the latest versions of Microsoft PowerPoint, and it only takes a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you already have a presentation open, you're ready to go. If not, launch PowerPoint and either open an existing file or create a new presentation. It doesn't matter which one because the saving process is the same. Once your presentation is visible on the screen and you're ready to save it, move your cursor to the top left corner of PowerPoint. Next, click on the File tab. The File tab is located in the top left corner of the PowerPoint window. When you click on File, a new menu will open on the left-hand side. This menu contains options like New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, and more. Since we want to choose exactly where the file will be saved, we're going to use the Save As option instead of just clicking Save. Now click on Save As. After clicking Save As, PowerPoint will show you different location options where you can store your presentation. Depending on your version, you might see options like OneDrive, this PC, or other connected accounts. Because we want to save the presentation directly onto your computer's desktop, we need to choose the correct local storage option. Click on This PC. Selecting this PC ensures that the file will be saved directly to your computer rather than to the cloud. After clicking this PC, you'll see a list of folders and locations available on your computer. This is where you can choose the exact destination for your file. From the list of locations, click on Desktop. The Desktop option is usually visible in the Quick Access panel on the left side of the Save As window. Once you click Desktop, you'll see the contents of your desktop displayed in the main window area. At this point, you can also rename your presentation if you'd like. Simply click into the File Name field at the bottom and type the name you want for your presentation. Finally, click on the Save button. As soon as you click Save, PowerPoint will store your presentation directly onto your desktop. You can minimize or close PowerPoint and check your desktop to confirm that the file is there. You'll now be able to quickly access it anytime without searching through multiple folders. And that's it. That's how you save a PowerPoint presentation onto your desktop, step by step. It's a simple process, but it's incredibly useful for staying organized and making sure your files are easy to find. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.